Hey, welcome to another food review.
Yeah.
I'm with Alexis.
I'm over here, but I can't show my face. But here's proof.
Yep. So we're eating the hamburger from Wendy's.
Dave Single, I'm pretty sure.
What?
No, that's the name of the burger, dude.
Wait, actually? Jeez. I must not eat a lot of Wendy's then.
No, you don't.
Here it is.
I
don't want to shove it right in the camera.
No, eat in front of the camera again. We can make Noah eating the Wendy's burger.
So good.
It's really good. Wendy's is one of my favorite ones.
Yes, Alex is at my place.
So Noah, what do you have to say about the beef burger?
About the what?
About the meat.
Yeah,
Wendy's does it differently. They don't freeze it.
The meat?
Wendy's is fresh.
Yeah. It's effing raw. No, just kidding.
Now the fries, Noah. Say something about the fries.
The fries will be next.
Oh, you're just devouring that.
Sorry. I'm just in the camera. Sorry. Okay, there. And then
I'll do the Coke.
The Coke. We have this here.
Here, I'll show my hand to prove I'm here.
Yep, that's him.
I'll even show
now
my
let's
whole
take another
self
bite.
Except for my face.
Yep. When will you show your face?
When my mom says I can, which is never.
Well, when you're an adult, probably. So yeah, we're taking another bite.
Noah's devouring his burger while I'm taking my time to eat.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
That's the exact same thing you said about the Big Mac.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah?
About me. The Big Mac's probably maybe good, but I don't think I could finish one because it's so big and I can't eat as much. I'm a skinny stomach.
I'm done with the burger.
Now do the Coke.
Lord.
So how's the Coke?
The Coke is good. Like my favorite drink's Coke.
The fries. Spilled.
We're doing the fries.
I think Wendy's has one of the really best fries. But for me, the best will always be McDonald's fries.
For sure.
But Wendy's is probably like second or third.
Oh yeah, we're doing a vlog after.
Yeah, that's coming later. So
yeah.
First do your food review.
Our first vlog.
First food review, Noah's second, but mine being with him.
I gotta get a better position, I'm sorry.
That's okay, man.
Like
Oh, by the way, Noah has something with him today.
I have a 3DS with me today. Not trying to flex or anything.
Will you ever make a video in it?
I don't know.
You can just hold your phone.
Like someday. Okay, guys.
Probably do that for Pokemon and Tamagotchi. All you have to do is click buttons and tap all the stuff.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me the third time.
Well, dude, if you have this much of a... How much did you have on... No, you had so much already, that's why. Fries are good.
God damn it, that one song got mad. Bad history, time fracture.
You should tell them, the fans, the song. Give a song the shout out. Right now, just say the name of the song. What's the song name?
Well, It's pretty. Well, it's about bad history.
Oh, Bad History. They make some pretty.
Biden time fracture.
Oh yeah, that one's good because it's good music.
And it has a meaning to it.
It has a meaning to it, so go check that out.
Holy crap! It's been 5 minutes.
All right. So is that the end?
Guys, I'm sorry, but this is the end. After I take one more bite.
Yep. This is the end of second review. Wendy's was really good. I loved it. So bye.
This was trash. No, probably cringe. Bye.